Hey people, what's up? Welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Happen to read somewhere, love is incomplete without trust and rain is incomplete without chai pakoras. Well, it's monsoon and I have brought you the perfect onion pakoda recipe to go with that steaming cup of chai. Let's get started. In a bowl, put the onions and some salt and mix well. Set this aside and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Now take gram flour in another bowl and add the rice flour, baking soda, turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, oil, ginger and salt, and mix it well until you have coarse breadcrumbs-like texture. The mixture should hold its shape if you try to press it together. Now let's add the onions. You can see the onions have become slightly soft and have released water. Add it to the gram flour mixture and mix very well. Try not to add water, but if your onion mixture is too hard or dry, you can add a teaspoon or two of water. The dough should be moist and not too dry or too dilute, like so. Now let's fry these. Heat oil in a pan. When the oil is moderately hot, drop in dollops of the onion mixture. The pakoras should not sink when you drop them in oil. Also, it shouldn't brown too quickly. Fry these until they are golden and crispy on the outside and completely cooked from within. Flip them midway to ensure even browning on all sides. These are done now. Strain them onto a plate lined with paper towels. Finally, sprinkle some chaat masala and enjoy with some hot tea. I hope you'll give this a try and let me know how it went for you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.